Hey everyone! If you're looking to save money buying NordVPN, you've come to the right video. What you're going to do is click the link in my video description and you'll come to this page. On this page, you'll automatically get the best NordVPN coupon code. And what you're going to do is just click on the copy button and the coupon code will get copied and you'll be redirected to this page. Here, you'll click on Get NordVPN. This coupon code works on every plan. For example, I'll show you with the complete plan. I click on Get Complete, and here you can check the price one time. It's showing $121. And I click on Got a coupon code. Just paste the coupon code and hit Apply. As you can see, I almost got a $20 discount. So, it's the best NordVPN coupon code right now. And if you need, you just have to click the link in my description. I change that coupon code every time there are any changes. I provide the best coupon code in that website. So, go copy the coupon code from the link below.